Hello, we are finally in a new year, and I know that I kind of seem like a little bit of a stranger, don't I? But today I wanted to go ahead and upload this vlog what was my last vlog of last year that I never uploaded. It was during the October time. I don't know what was wrong with it that I didn't end up uploading it, but I want to start off this new year fresh with this vlog, and then we can move forward with the schedule that we have going on for this upcoming year. This upcoming year, I will dedicate to uploading twice a week. So my new upload schedule is going to be Tuesdays and Fridays. So we're going to be trying that out. I can commit to 2, but I cannot commit to 3. I just have to balance everything out. But I feel like I need to do a little bit of an intro because I can't even remember how that vlog is. I'm going to look at it after this, but I know that I needed to input something. I think it just ends abruptly. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! It is 7:16 p.m. I just transferred all the footage from the camera to here, as well as some dash cam footage. I feel like I can use my dash cam as like part of the vlogs to help with like some transitions and whatnot. But yeah, I have a lot. I have a lot still that I have to do, but I'm trying to be proactive on YouTube, proactive on social media, TikTok, Instagram. So yeah, make sure to follow me on those things, and let's get this week's vlog started. Let's go. Ronaldo. What happened? What happened?
There you go.
She later returned stressing all the trappings of this dragon.
Lies. But more than anything, I love Doug.
Hey! Shut the fuck up!
Fucking piece of shit.
Llegan ustedes para tener todo listo. A las 5:30 y te despiertas. Okay, so this morning I went ahead and went to a bakery called Panecito. Sorry, I ran out a little bit of breath. Ando en carreras. It's a whole story I'm gonna tell you right now. Pero this is what I got. Look at how good it all freaking looks. From my memory, I believe this one is strawberry crunch. So I got 2, one for me, one for my brother. This one must be the pumpkin. This is the mazapan. This is the Oreo. And then this one is the something apple. I couldn't have because I gave some to Tati who went with me. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this. The strawberry crunch. Wow, this one's good. Obviously, they're not like as warm as when I bought them because I've been doing stuff. It's still really good. I'm not gonna be able to eat all of them, but I think I'm gonna. So I'm traveling today, by the way. Let me tell you that. I am going to be going to Washington. So those who are the OG know that I lived in Washington State for about 3 years. So my best friend is moving back down to California. So we're flying there, me and her niece, and we're going to help her drive down to California. So that's going to be an adventure. Hello?
Hey. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm just moving my car out of my mom's way, but we're already going to go pick you up already.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you soon.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
You see, they're gonna come. What am I gonna take? What am I gonna take? What am I gonna take? Oh my god. From all of these, so that one's gonna be for my brother. I'm not gonna take that one because that's gonna be messy. I think I'm just gonna end up taking maybe the mazapan and the pumpkin. Bye. We made it to the airport, and this is gonna be Jasmine's first flight ever. Are you excited?
Oh, yes, so excited.
Okay, let's check in. Yeah, we can go here. So you want to stand? You're like, yeah, and you go to that.
I'm all smiling, y'all.
Here we go. Look at her house. We finally landed. We're in the car. That was deadly for a little bit. I think I don't do well with elevation.
The flight had me. But you're the
But you
one.
survived.
Yeah.
She survived. It was all Gucci. Now we're just gonna.
I think the hardest part was being sardine between
Yeah.
a stranger's thighs and Ashley's thighs. I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm close, but I don't want to be that close.
Yeah, the struggle. You already know being in the middle seat, the struggle. Yeah, we're just gonna chill. We're gonna try to go to this cafe, see if we can make it, and just go from there.
That's not very far where you went. I'm assuming that's not. She even told me on the way here. She goes, "You better not send money to nobody." I don't got money, first of all. And second, why to the like less than 24 hours. We're gonna be in fucking Washington together. And then
Yeah,
we're gonna start our adventure.
exactly. This is where I used to walk to go to work before I had a carrito.
Hey, at least you had a good view.
Yeah, that's true.
No
But I miss
tweakers.
it.
To go pick up my car, like something but tweak.
Who's that? Say hi.
Holy shit. Micah, your car's freaking. Your car's
Hi.
freaking high.
Small.
Who is it? Estra.
There's water. Yeah, you see it right there. Reflection. He was like, yes, there is. He's all pointing like, yes, there is. Like,
We're in the trees.
you're talking about, though. I see the water, like.
Okay, go Ashley. Yeah. You could have just put. Oh, there you go.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, go.
Look at the phone. One.
Little downtown Cookville. You know where we came to that restaurant? So we are gonna be starting our road trip very soon, but we stopped at Cookville, Washington, because we're gonna take a ferry. But in this little place, they have Beetlejuice happening right now for Halloween. So here we have, you know, Beetlejuice and the cow and the graveyard. And then over here we have this little guy from the Addams Family. So how cute. I love that it's in theme, and we're just gonna walk around a little bit. This cute little dog shop, and it has also the daughter and a cute little bench to take pictures. How cute. It is definitely a whole different vibe living in Washington versus living in LA, especially in a small little town like this. I kind of miss it.
Just staring at the upstairs across the street.
Like this?
Oh, you took the picture? Oh.
I'll take a picture for you. You ready? You ready, Freddie? Yeah.
But I think I'm not going on there. Mom, Dad.
The book is even. Watch Oh, it's probably because it got wet and everything. But
It's all wet.
oh yeah.
It is time. I was doing the Mariah Carey voice, but we are about to drive into the ferry. That's gonna get us to, we don't know where.
Everett.
Everett, there you go. It's gonna cut a little bit of time, take us to Everett. It is Jasmine's first time. She's so excited that she's on her phone. I'm joking. I'm joking, I was on my phone.
It's okay. You guys gonna see a special exclusive of Ashley's full moon.
But yeah, this is the thing. So you drive in.
This is crazy.
Look at the water level.
Oh, I thought so. It's high.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been times that it's flooded.
Oh, love that for us.
I love that. Can
Today
it
is
happen-
not the day though.
Can it happen like a day when we're not here?
You haven't seen those videos?
No.
No, but I could see it because you could see like all
Oh
the
yeah, I
rust.
have.
in the
I
front.
forgot.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can see the rest.
Thankfully, we're gonna be on the sides.
Like,
Or not. I think it's getting full.
so where are they sending us to? He's like this way. Go on the town.
They try to fit as many cars as possible.
Definitely got a big mustache too.
Yeah, it does. So there we go. So I'm scouring.
They just stay squished in the cars.
Yep. Like sardines. You know what's the worst? When they put you on the sides, on the top. Because then your car can, you know, go back. That's not fun. But we're just going to chill here for a bit. We gonna sit by the water. Thank you. I didn't get window seat this time.
I was about to kick her shit. I was like, yeah, I got the one seat in the plane.
It's moving. Is it moving or is it just me?
So this is just a side note. So tell me why my first time here, they've been living here or lived here before in Washington. How come we saw two girls getting down? I thought you only see that stuff in LA.
Yeah.
But
They were high schoolers.
they were high schoolers, just random. We're like, oh, look at the beautiful tree. Oh! Okay, back to the view.
We were trying to get to the very front of the ferry so we can take pictures, how we've done in the past, but the wind plus the rain is not a good mixture. But maybe next time. It's giving LA traffic though in Seattle.
Oh, what were we doing? Actually, was doing that too. We were in the plane and kept doing like a noise going.
It's because
Looking at that too.
Oh, you guys already went to the best coffee shop.
I'm done my hair blue. And she already
I would wonder what they're.
Hi guys, so this is what happened. Lucy's car, sorry, because I'm cooking, but Lucy's car overheated, only with like almost 2 hours of a drive maybe. He overheated in Seattle, so we decided to turn around, so we're flying out Sunday. But anyways, I'm cooking. I'm currently making my bomb spaghetti. I have the water ready over here, and then where's it at? We're gonna have some toast as well. But yeah, we're gonna grab it. Who's that?
River.
Says connects what, Washington to Oregon?
Yeah.
Nice. Entering Oregon. We made it to what I want.
Yay! We also survived that she's driving.
She wasn't bad. Not exaggerating. Micah can't even judge me. He was falling asleep.
He trusted you. He trusted you.
Yay. Say Oregon, Ezra.
Oregon. Say Oregon.
Good job.
Woohoo!
Say, I'm gonna let you see low back.
Could you imagine? Dylan's in the beer line.
I think it's the fact that that's City Hall. It reminds me of The Simpsons. Oh, look, there's a little Yorkie.
Huh?
There's a little Yorkie.
Picture like this with your love heart. Is that in the back of Ezra? Look at that thing.
I photobombed.
That's all I need.
I can't even catch the skeleton from there. Oh, look at this baby boy. Girl. Look at Lucy. Lucy. Oh no, it turned the other way. I think I recorded that, but I'm not sure.
So we're going to Is it yummy? Say thank you, Nina.
You welcome.
Okay, you happy? You happy, Ezra?
Yeah, just don't eat the stickers. They're not edible.
Bite it.
He's licking it.
Look, Ezra. Wait till you can see yourself.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say cheese. Scare them. Scare them.
Scare the camera.
Scare them. Ah! That was cute.
On the road again. We can't wait to get on the road again. I can't turn the camera like this, so we gotta go like this, Ezra. Cheese. Cheese. Huh? Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Ezra. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Yay!
Yeah.
We are going back to Cali. I finally made it home. I just need them to open the door, but look at me, you're waiting for me. Hi, Papash. Hi, Onyayo. I'm waiting for him to open the door. Hi. Hi. Hi, Papash. Onya, Papash. Ay, 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 Onyayo.
We got home from the airport at 2 p.m. and I took a 2-hour nap. Hey, Ronaldo, look. They can see you. So I decided to use the tripod thing that goes on your phone, that goes on the actual window that I didn't want to do. I'm like, you know what, let me give it a try. And it's not too bad. I don't feel like it's taking up much of my view. I'll show you guys a little bit later how the display looks. The only thing was that I wanted to be able to use my actual camera to record. Right now I'm using my iPhone to record. So I'll be testing out the camera later on and seeing if I actually could record with the camera, especially the way that it's kind of set up here. But anyways, ahorita I have literally 20 miles left in my car before it runs out of gas. And typically, I think, I don't remember last time at what miles my light turned on. Not that I like to drive that way. I don't do that. That's not the way that I do what I do. But right now with this pay period, I am literally in such a very tight budget. So I'm going to Costco to put gas because I get the best, price. I get the best gas for my buck, I guess. And Costco's about almost 7 miles away. It's like 6 something. So I feel like I should be fine. I should be able to make it. I think they close at 6 p.m. on the weekend, like on Sundays, 6 or 7 p.m. So it's literally 5:03 right now, and I'm hoping that it's not too bad, but who freaking knows? Like, literally, it's so bad out here. It is what it is. Then I'm going to be going to Trader Joe's to buy some stuff to meal prep for the week. I don't have energy, really, today. Traveling does get exhausting overall. And I realized that I don't have my shit together in general, but I also don't have like my stuff ready for me to start next week. So months ago I had requested, I don't like that it's kind of like, I feel like, let me see, did I do it right? I feel like it's wobbly, but anyway, months ago I had requested off Thursday, Friday, and Monday, just in case, because it was gonna be a road trip, but obviously you guys saw what happened. Just in case something were to happen. So I had told them, like, I think I'll be at work on Monday. Like, I'll be at work on Monday, blah, blah, blah. But now I'm like, you know what? It's going to be paid. It's my last paid time off of the year. We're already going to be going towards November. I already used up all my sick days and everything, and we'll get more days next year, right? I'm just hoping I'm not in need of another time off this year. But I decided, let me get paid and let me reset. My room has been disgusting for quite some time now, and I don't want to live like that anymore. So I feel like tomorrow I'm going to take advantage and wake up early, try to clean and do laundry, meal prep, do what I got to do. And that's why I'm going out today to like put gas and get the stuff. That way tomorrow I don't have to leave my house. Ronaldo is also due for a bath, and I think he has fleas. So I need to give him his medication and also obviously bathe him. He's just been scratching a lot, so that's why I think he does. But yeah, I just want to take this day to prepare for tomorrow, and then tomorrow prepare for the week, and overall to just keep continuing on with the year. So that's where I'm at right now. Sorry for all the talking. I have never seen this Costco be like this. Did they make it? Why does it look different to me? I think it's just because it's Sunday. I don't want to scratch my car, so I'm going to wait in this motherfucking line. Wait, is there one available in the middle? Trader Joe's.